How do I install a previous version of Chrome? I have a problem with the latest version of Chrome, this URL, so I need to download and install the previous version of Chrome. A few places suggest FileHippo or old version, but FileHippo only redirects to Google's Chrome download page and old version only goes up to version 23. This URL. All the similar questions are out of date. I already turned off auto update by setting the registry key.
You can look up the build version of a Chromium version on this URL. Simply paste the version, for example 40.0.2172.0, into the position lookup field and submit. In the output, the base position represents the build number. With this number you can finally find the corresponding download on either. This page, for builds before early 2016, or this page, for builds since early 2016. Updated links may be found on the Getting Involved page of the Chromium Wiki.
I've found this page in case anyone is looking for old versions of Chrome. It only goes back to as early as Chrome 48. But they do provide full binary package for the Windows version in the form of a self-extracting zip archive.
Google Chrome always keeps backup of previous version. You can find your previous version in Chrome installation directory.
You can get an older version of Chromium from Google's continuous integration servers at this URL. Chromium is using the same codebase as Google Chrome but does not include certain things like the built-in Flash plugin and support for some audio/video codecs, for example MP3. Note, Google has switched to another build integration server, therefore the given build server only hosts binaries built until 2014. For newer versions you can follow the same approach as shown in this script, this URL. Also have a look at this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.